Hello children, welcome back again in online studies. As you all know, we have completed our lesson number 2 in previous lecture. So now we are going to start our lesson number 3, that is animal shelters. So in the picture you can see that the Tom is there and he is thinking that he should get a mouse to eat. He feels very hungry and he is sitting, that cat is sitting near the hole of a mouse to get the mouse for eating. And in another picture, in the next to it, the cat is looking towards the uh, crow's nest, which is up on the tree, and the cat is willing to have the eggs and the chick and the small babies of a crow, but the other crows are started thinking to hurt that cat. They are thinking to make her run out of there. Okay, so the topics are given over here. The cat is lying in wait for someone. Who is that? That is a mouse. Who has frightened the crows? What has frightened the crows? Why are they trying to frighten the cat away? Because the cat is looking towards the nest and the cat is willing to have the small babies of crow and the eggs also. That is why it is dangerous for crow. So the crows get frightened because of the cat and they try to make her run away from that place. So now can you tell, what do birds use to build their nest? Birds generally use the sticks, the small branches, the sticks of the small branches of the tree. They are keeping it down, then on that they are keeping the grass, and sometimes they are keeping the cotton also to make the nest soft. Okay, which animal live in burrow? The animals like rat and rabbits, they are lives in burrow. Okay, burrow means what? A small a deep dig which is into the soil. Okay, they are digging a dig into the soil, into the on the land, and they are living into that hole, that is called burrow. Where do the hens we keep live? Who build their shelter? The hens are living into the, what we call to the shelter of the hen? Coop. The hens are living into the coop, and the shelter is built by human for the hens. Okay, so why do we need house? Have you think over on this question before? Why we are living in house? Why do we need house? So we will go through this topic. You also look on page number 15. Very cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. These are the things, because of that we are getting afraid. We live in houses to protect ourselves from them. So you got the questions. Why do we live in house? We live in houses to protect ourselves from very cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rains. These are the things from which we have to protect ourselves, and that is why we build our houses and we are living into our houses. Some people live very close to forest, means nearby forest. Close to means what? Near. They have to face the threat of wild animals. You know that if we are staying nearby the forest, the wild animals can come near our houses. So a house protects them from the wild animals too. Okay, now look at the page number 16. Like us, do animals also need shelters? Do animals also need shelters? Yes, some animals do. They build their shelters for themselves. Some other animals find shelter in safe places in the environment. So, what new term we are going to learn on this page? A new term is for us, that is shelter. A safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. That is called the shelter. Okay, so what is the shelter? As we are living in the house, the animals also live into their shelter. Okay, it is that everyone has a different type of shelter of animals. Some are living in burrows, some are living in forest, some are living in water, some are living on the tree, some are living on the nest, some birds are living into the nest. So that are the different kinds of shelter which the animal used to live. Now the next topic, that is animals who build shelter from themselves. You must have seen birds' nest. Have you seen? Nests are shelters that birds build. So nest is the shelter of bird. Birds are afraid of animals that eat eggs. So which are the animals that eat eggs? Like snakes, cats, है ना? So they need a safe place to lay their eggs. Baby birds come out of eggs. There are animals that eat these young birds. The young birds are too weak to defend themselves. Defend means they cannot protect themselves. The nest keeps the young one safe. That is why birds build nest. They use things like grass, straw, and twigs to build nests. So these are the things they use to build their nest. They use grass, straw, and twigs of the tree to build their nest. They may even use cotton, wool, and pieces of thread and string. This makes the nest soft and warm inside. Because of the cotton and the threads, the nest become warm and soft. But the nest of all birds are not all alike. All birds के जो nest होते हैं वो एक जैसे ही होते हैं क्या? No. Birds choose convenient places to build nest. Convenient means what? Which is comfortable for them. Look at the weaver bird, which is shown on page number 16. It chooses a thorny tree. Thorny यानी कांटों वाला झाड़ के ऊपर वो अपना नेस्ट बनाती है. Which has some branches hanging over water. If it builds its nest on the highest of these branches. Animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach this nest. Then the next topic, that is the tailor bird. The tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. It selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. It uses a fine tendril to stitch them together. This little nest is big enough for the little tailor bird. So what the tailor bird is doing? Tailor bird is taking a tendril. Tendril means fine tendril, means the small and fine creeper. Creeper you know? Creeper जो होते हैं वो लेती है और with that it use like a string and the tailor bird stitches the big leaves and she make a nest for her itself, which is very nice. Okay. And next, some insects also build their own shelters. For example, honeybees. Honeybees build their honeycomb on trees or under the roof of an overhanging cliffs. Overhanging cliffs means on the branches of the tree, honeybee hangs her honeycomb. Okay. Now, if we talk about the rats on page number 17, that is, rats and mice live in underground in fields. They dig into the soil and make holes and burrows to live in. अंडरग्राउंड वो अपने लिए छुपने के लिए होल्स बनाते हैं. Rats and mice also live in areas where people live. They make holes in the walls and under the floors in houses. They mostly take shelter in mud houses and not in those built with cement. That is because they cannot dig holes into cement construction. So, as we all know, in a city, if we are living in city, there are everywhere cement construction, but they cannot dig a hole into the cement construction because that is hard for them to dig a hole. But if we live in the village places, there are the mud houses and the land is available there, the field to dig their holes into the soil. So mostly the rats and mice dig their holes into the soil and they live into it. So I hope you have understood this topic. The remaining topic we will continue in the next lecture. Till then, read the lesson, find out the hard words, write that hard words, write lesson name, hard words, and learn that hard words. Okay.